red Kool-Aid. Red. Got my red Kool-Aid. Can y'all see it? Got my greens. Greens with fat back, you know. This is my favorite. Oh, no. Good bread, good meat. Good Lord, let us eat. I'm gonna mess that one up. You got to praise to the Lord about. Yeah, my mama cooked too. Okra. Oh. If you constipated, you got nothing but eat okra or drink okra water. You know when you buy the whole okra and you cut them little tips off, take them tips and put them in some water in a jar and just let it soak. And then drink it. It's so good, baby. I can't do it though. I get the gagging and going. I get the gagging and going on. Try the light done went out again. Try to bump that light. I need a new light. Ooh, that okra so good. Piece of chicken. That lemon pepper on them, it's busting. Oh. Oh. So good, got my ear tingling. That lemon pepper hit that spot. You know, you have a good old drink and they hit that spot. Go and get your rotisserie chicken and drown it in lemon pepper seasoning. Oh, that's good. And drown it in some lemon pepper seasoning. Oh, that's popping. To me, them rotisserie chickens